Alcohol will be sold for home consumption only under strict conditions on specified days and for limited hours.
The announcement that prompted a wave of celebrations, many eagerly awaiting for the 1st of June to end over 60 days of sobriety. The snaking queues on a brisk Monday morning and songs of celebrations heard from customers already anticipating the first sip of their cold beverages. But the lifting of the ban has not been without problems. The largest hospital in Africa, Chris Hani Baragwanath, is one of the hospitals treating COVID-19 patients. It now has had to deal with trauma-related cases, with the number increasing since Monday.
The numbers are definitely increasing. I mean, as I've said previously, the 31st of May, we saw about 66 in total trauma patients. But the 1st of June, within 24 hours after the alcohol became available, we saw the numbers picking up. The number almost doubled.
There's been concerns that the lifting of the alcohol ban may undo government's efforts to slow the spread of the coronavirus. Health Minister Dr. Zoleka has also raised concern over the number of trauma-related incidents hospitals have been inundated with since the lifting of the ban. He's urged South Africans to act responsibly.
This is a balance we really have to find a way to reach out to. And we can't solve it as government or as health workers. We have to appeal to society to say there are things that, whilst they are problematic, but we have less challenges in a normal situation. But in this case, we do have a challenge. And we're not forcing anybody. We're simply asking that please be aware that we could have saved more people had we not had to deal with someone who had walked in because of the negligence that arises out of abuse of alcohol. And therefore now we've got facilities that are heavily occupied that could have been available for people who would have had a difficult problem such as a COVID-19 infection.
This marks the first weekend that South Africans have been allowed to buy alcohol since the lockdown. Law enforcement agencies have still warned that those caught with alcohol on their person will have infringed lockdown regulations. Zoleka, Qodashe, SABC News, Johannesburg.